They'll reach out to people like you and me who just want to lose weight and get healthier and say things like, hey, here's a special discount or coupon. Then they'll direct you to their fake site. Once you enter your information and payment details there, they take your money and you get nothing in return. They're not connected to the official company at all, so don't fall for it. To stay safe, I've added the link to the official Mitolyn website in the description below. Order directly from there to make sure. You're about to try Mitolyn, or maybe you're just curious to learn more about it. Either way, make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't regret it later. Because trust me, no one online is talking about what I'm about to share with you. In this review, I'll walk you through a sneaky scam that could make you lose all your money and show you exactly how to avoid it. I'll also cover Mitolyn's potential effects, its real price, and finally, whether or not it actually works for you. There's no point buying something that doesn't deliver, right? I've written down the key points right in front of me so this video stays short and straight to the point. Let's get started. Here's how the scam works. There are a bunch of clever people out there who know that Mitolyn is trending and gaining massive attention online. These scammers have cloned the official Mitolyn website, and it looks almost identical to the real one. It's nearly impossible to tell. Comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. Affordable pricing. While it might seem pricey to some, it's worth every cent, especially compared to other supplements that do nothing. Cons. Often out of stock. Sometimes it's unavailable for 10 to 15 days a month, which can be frustrating. Many fake websites. But that's actually a plus for you. Since you're watching this video, you already have the official link right below. So it's up to you to weigh the pros and cons and decide whether Mitolyn is right for you. If you're serious about losing weight, I highly recommend trying Mitolyn. You've got nothing to lose and a lot to gain. It's safe, proven, and can help you reach your dream shape. Just make sure to order only from the official website. The link's below in the description so you stay 100% protected. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.